Where to buy computer parts? There are many great stores online. We recommend Newegg.com or TigerDirect.com. First, you put the backing plate on the back of the motherboard. Then you want to clean the processor with rubbing alcohol. Once clean, apply thermal compound and spread evenly. Place processor on motherboard, then place heatsink on processor and screw the screws to the backing plate. Place the motherboard in the case and use the standoffs to screw the motherboard down onto the case. Line the case fan up with the backing grill and screw it in. Plug fan into the motherboard. Place the RAM sticks in the slots. Note, make sure you have the sticks lined up right. Slide hard drive into the case. Line the holes up and screw it in. Then attach the cord to the hard drive and the motherboard. case cords into the motherboard. Place video card in the appropriate slot. Screw the heatsink fan controller in an open slot and plug in the cords to the heatsink and the motherboard. Slide CD drive in through the front slot. Line screw holes up and screw CD drive down and plug in the appropriate cords. Put the power supply into the case and line the holes with the case and screw it in. Then plug the appropriate cords into the motherboard, CD drive, and the hard drive.